Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers, and today we are going to be installing the ink on the Canon TR 7520. If you need help with instructions for installing the ink on this printer, this is the right video for you, so stick around. It's a very short video, basically just explaining how to install these ink cartridges. There are 5 of them, one of them being a larger black ink cartridge, PGBK, which is the one we've got in front of us. So you're removing all of the plastic, the orange cap on the bottom. That's about it. That's everything that is plastic, basically, that you can see that can be ripped off. Aside from the top, the very top of the cartridge, is what you're going to remove, and then you're going to place it in just like this. The chip being all the way at the bottom of the cartridge, and the ink sponge, if you can call it that, at the very top of it. Now I'll demonstrate this with each cartridge so you really get a good idea. And basically just, still removing all of the plastic, all of the, the orange cap on the bottom of it. Don't get confused with these two cartridges. They're both still black, which is one of them is larger, so it's going to go onto the larger print nozzle that I just pointed out there. And then this one goes on BK. It's not PGBK, it's just BK. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for remanufactured versions of this ink that's going to be a lot less expensive, and they're going to be just as functional. So check out that resource in the description below. Also, if you're having issues with your printer currently, whatever model it might be, I'm going to leave a cleaning kit, Best Printers cleaning kit. That'll help you solve your problem. So same thing. Basically, you're just grabbing it in a position where you kind of have this piece on the bottom that is kind of, can be moved, can be pressed. That's what you're going to use to kind of click this in place. You're going to want to hear a click when you're putting these in. You're going to want to press it down like that, hear a click, make sure it doesn't come out, and you're all set. That's really all it takes. You do exactly what I did here in the video, and you should be good. If this ended up being helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. That's all there is to it. Again, link in the description below. But that's all I have for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.